Hello guys, good afternoon. I have just installed the Habitat Home solution and I'm trying to have a search functionality. I put nothing and I would click on A. So I can see this, there is no result coming over here. Okay, the reason being is this, as it becomes the very first installation, what we have to do, we have to build our indexes. So all we have to do, we have to go to control panel, select all the indexes for now, go to indexing manager, select all of them for now and say rebuild. It will rebuild all the indexes. We don't need all of them, but just to be on safer side, I'm rebuilding all of them. It will take a couple of minutes. Now the indexes have been rebuilt. Now if I'm trying to search anything, I'm getting the desired results. For example, if I will take a word called choose, let me put it over here, and I click on search, it's working as anticipated. So that's it for now. Thank you guys.